In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Outlook emails to PC. Whether you're safeguarding important messages or moving to a new computer, I'll walk you through the export process in Classic Outlook and in the new Outlook experience, so you can save a complete copy of your mail to your computer. Let's start with Classic Outlook, the traditional desktop app. With Outlook open, go to the top left and choose File, then open Export, and select Import Export. This opens Outlook's built-in wizard for moving data in and out of the app. Choose Export to a file, click Next, then pick Outlook Data File, also known as a .pst. A PST file is a single container that holds your emails and can include folders, subfolders, and attachments, making it ideal for a full backup. Click Next to continue. Now select what you want to export. You can choose your entire email account at the top level or a specific folder like Inbox. To capture everything inside that selection, check Include Subfolders. That ensures items like sent items, drafts, and custom folders are part of the export. Click Next. Browse to a location on your PC where you want the file saved, give it a clear name like backup.pst, and click Finish. You'll be prompted to set an optional password. This adds an extra layer of security to the PST, but it's not required. If you do set one, make sure you'll remember it, because it will be needed when opening the backup later. Click OK, and the export starts automatically. Don't close Outlook while it runs. The time it takes depends on your mailbox size and computer speed. If you're using the new Outlook, the steps are even simpler. Click the Settings gear icon, open the Files section, and select Export. Outlook will prepare your data and guide you to save the export to your PC. Just keep the app open until the process completes. A few quick tips to wrap up. Ensure you have enough free space on the drive you're exporting to, especially if your mailbox contains large attachments. Choose a save location you can easily find later, and consider adding the date to the file name to track versions over time. Finally, store your backup in a secure place, especially if it contains sensitive messages. That's it. Thanks for watching.